Hawley McLean for Train Lee Tech TV.
And I'm Kristine McNary for Train Lee Tech TV.
Well, Kristine, looks like we have one of the Jägendorfer collection items. It's a radio-controlled snowmobile.
Yep, that's correct.
A couple just little things. When we take this out of the box, over the years we get some of them returned because people just kind of ripped them out of the box, and they are attached inside very well. So you want to be careful when you take them out of the box that you don't actually break the snowmobile. But best thing to do is we just go ahead and
cut the tape on
cut these tapes off, and we can open up on this side here, and we have the RC controller and the instructions for those of you who like to read them. So the best thing to do, I would say, is just to go ahead and...
if you notice, there's a couple of different zip ties holding the whole thing in there. Just cut those zip ties.
Cut those off. Let's get those. I'll get the one here. All right. Well, that was pretty easy. We all got it out without breaking anything. So there's a couple of things I want to point out. Is this is the on-off here for the handheld and the steering. Got the antenna and the battery compartment. Why don't you go ahead and open that up? It requires just a small, medium-sized Phillips. And then on the snowmobile here, we have the battery compartment right here. The on-off switch is located here, and then this is like a little trim tab for the skis up front to make sure that it goes straight. You can adjust it. These take 6 AA batteries.
When you're installing the batteries, you want to make sure the polarity is correct. There's usually little pictures that show which way the batteries go. Of course, once you're done, you want to put those screws back in place to hold everything back together. Now, the next part is actually, you probably want to put the little person on there. He has little clips in his feet that sort of just clip into the bottom of the snowmobile.
All right, so we got it together, and they say to turn the snowmobile on first, and then turn on the handheld.
Now this is great.
There we go.
Should we go out into the sun and play with it?
Yeah, let's go out and see how well it works on the test track. All right, well, that was fun playing out there in the sun, and
yeah.
So the thing actually runs pretty good.
It does.
Runs pretty quick and goes over the terrain.
Most surfaces, yeah.
Had that one little bump on the bridge, and it kept jumping over that.
Yeah,
so,
that was kind of fun.
So this is a great little radio-controlled snowmobile from the Jägendorfer line, and you can get a hold of us at trainlee.com. And as always, have any questions or anything, please give us a call or email me at hawley@trainlee.com. Thanks again for watching.
Thank you. I'm Kristine with trainlee.com.
And we'll see you next time.